so be ya my asitremu atoy enti ya ne na nyina e behwe ti said the president Kofo so kan say hwe wasitrem na to aba ya nyina na e behwe say ensem a wo kan say wo be kan ma ya di yie no ene ye hwe ya asitremu ene tam a wo ma eno ya asitremu a emu de wa he na ye ne nyina so nto yaba so that's it enti that's all about it. Now having said that, onwa ni dimi na ojina so a ode kasa no kire say obugana for say national theater te say nkomado ojina say o kala bi gina stage so na o crack joke no na ono adika asere na ye nyina ya asere bi because it tells you say and some out a cast impression say you have a serious vice president here or addressing nation. I don't have that impression. And don't you know na because we did this and some na okano bebrenya no kore now he's out there say oko bribri amanfo ani because they say the doctor or nimde so they tend to look at qualifications rather than the wisdom in the thing adieno and pano espouse no onim say Ghana for ya can say ye be change double track system na yenka de ye de be share double track system no ye de be sina na mu na me bi sa me ho say aden sem bebrebe a ye kan nyina on Ghana ha ana se wo yare na ko doctor ne say tumo bi ana se mpompoboni bi e wo yam se ye operation ni yi sa mpompoboni no free ho a ube bisa doctor say uyi mpompoboni no free ho a ya de be na de be kwa kwahye na nam because I didn't know idea enya wo ho a ye free ho ma nipadua no ho atono no wasan gira na nam no we say they are not telling us say wo mu yi multiple track no ade wo mu de be replace na ye free ho person aka say the triple track na be ba na I don't get it and no so on can or you're very ambivalent about the position on the double track. Ebi a okasa so a wontie ono ane ho. Enti baby wo ho. Okasa ya osi o. Wa be agree with us say ebe ye temporary system innovation bi a mo dey solve problem bi na o mo be ye free ho. So you agree with us say enye no problem bi nti na o dey aba. Enti wan kasa kura no be ye free from the beginning ye kasa ye free ono. Wo mo say ye kasa ye free o dia na egu free SHS no enunti no ba bia ye be ka ho asem say ye be sesan bia say o mo say ye be twa free SHS afei de surveillance aba e kire say the worst policy abai I implement here double track no afei na o mo gravitate back towards position ayaka say ye free one now even that one crash o ka say ye so ye be ye free ho this is the person in the same statement or say double track no ya one dear bia aye universally acclaimed Kenya for asoma ni pass ye mesua na enko implement bi so enti is he saying say ye good wa ebetena ho na ye good system amanfo nyina e besua akoye bi ana say is he saying say ye be ye free ho in the same statement contradiction no be no and no and to tell him say yanko fire de fufuru bia e mehye free SHS em fa mehye double track no ye yade e cancerous to the free SHS enti ye be ye free ho ama secondary education no agira ne nanso ne akono dada te said the obia ko yebu school aye nyina ye ko akwala bia anya na konwa atena so akwala bia anya school classroom accommodation akotena mu ye makwan ye nyina ya makwan ani a kire de ntia ye wo gidie se betima aye ne sa because ye wo secondary schools more than 70 be up to 80% of completion within 3 months ye dia konwa na ka say ye complete saade way with our first budget here. By the time I be school near create sufficient classroom accommodation say multiple track no ehun hia enti no he shouldn't access say uyi sa tumo no free why there be na the back kwa replace again. Number 2 ka say o ma change kwaye fast renew health insurance card into your achievement. And Bisa say, was that what you promised? We main promise in say, we betia arrears. Our health insurance in Mutino source of funding, Emma constraints Bamua service providers won't chill money and the adeno. Bepeska tianing na ama Bibia health insurance, you betia on time, said the bear a bejan and naso. That was what you promised. Satem no beyond complaining about say mobile phone there. And have you delivered on that one? The answer is no. Because time will take you over no. Now have insurance, now arrears for say close to 1 year. I mean 11 months thereabouts. Says it's the same 1 year. Arrears in the war. You haven't done anything. Out there, every stage be crowned no more say arrears be of her and no happen with President Mahama Tam there. One more and no caho. Now Monshasi entria arrears here. One more no buy one more accumulate. Let's say Rebecca say one more buy dear. One more period up to date now. Arrears that I know what say 8 months no there and no na entria no there President Mahama ka. I mean, if you see somebody who seriously thinks it will be booming, then the analysis in here. Say your problem. Again, and until the commitment and say health insurance, you bet you are not up to date, you be free or properly funded. You should answer that question. Say, is it as it is now? Is it funded the way or more promising? I say we are not so free. Who say? Wabubo said 300 promises. Enti si ayemu 250 and now 2 something. The NHS achieve 78%. I don't expect a serious economic statistician to argue like that.
Oh,
because unim says statistics any economist sadi tebiano. You wait on every policy. You can't tell me say what promises say won't to petrol boom. And now ube petrol boss. Now buy what to petrol boom mama akwa ni mu stage bia. The effect on the economy no. The same thing. And no one can pay promise you. It is a no untimi ya. Na say can be say 30 promises ya unfulfill ye no. We say end 30 ntino ebe less than 2%. Na wako kan say ye change a health insurance card through mobile phone into one promise fulfilled. No ni wait it said the petrol boy tumu and say yentum. I mean, who will argue like this? Because who two petrol bomu one there. Ni effect efa economy nu nyina mu including who renew card by mobile phone no because the units never here. And you cannot be assessing them equally like that. They are not equal. And now, ASIEDU was stabilizing. Okoye hundede. Na ASIEDU no stabilize here. 40-member committee for no day na womu pointi womu se womu me. 40-member committee no abai no aye nim se una start de be guru. Una promise publicly yeah they say una be stabilize ASIEDU. Actually wa bai no akotena baabi ayi nipa 40 say yenko hwe kwaye be fa so ASIEDU na gina ni nan so wo won kansa committee no ho no ekira wo say wa bai no kura ni gidie wo mu wo ma agya tum say de o kan want mi anye enu nti yempe nipa foforo bi na womun kohwe se ye beye de o ka se obeye no a wonka ho na yeyi wa agro bi mu a no akogina krotia se aka odwo mbako enti no
yeyi wa agro no mu a
agro ya se wonka ho no akogina krotia se aka menyo mbako me ba be me wa yeyi wa free mu nka ho kura enti no so ka ho anko ka 40 no ho a wo mo ka sidi no ho asem sidi no abai no mu ya se wonka ho na wakojina kuma se aka odwo mbako wo sidi no ho ahokwa akoto amiaboe enu nti na ono ankasa onye nsem na okanu eni nti okasa na osrefa ho okasa na osrefa ho enti menua ebrebe ba ma yetimi akomu adomu suko akoyechi but the midi chatwo in all this ne say me the Argentina president Chile president bi na semwa okaya da bia me de kama sem ne say o say brebi dure Chile one more very long coast. Na one more main produce pa a fish. Sardines no because coast no ten almost more than 2/3 of South America coast no nyina Chile. Enti bibika fishing na aka obia. Ena crisis ba fishing no. Ema catch no nyina dwindle. Ena ofrefre Minister of Agric, na Agric Minister Fred ni expert obi a oye zoo plankton so ho adwuma de oye we adwuma na ombetra ho say president say fish no e sorte ye ben de ni asan ni aba we sorry a o si El Nino phenomenon no aba no na ama zoo plankton so ate nti fish nya aduane ni na deve no aye na ya gu ho na we so akasa na fishing net deve no so akasa ombia aka na senwie no papa no tie ya no say where is the fish
no way
because zama mu kanya no na me de kwa akoma chilefo ama o madi enu nti adwene na omo pedi na omo ato abama yese ye metram ne mpa adwene ma wo ena adwene no so ye nti TCC amo ba twetwere nyina no me say adwene no wo he a de koma chilefo adi that is the idea ASIEDU bisa Dr. Baumia say de wako kanu nyina no where is the fish.
I will say one last question now for you and the interview Nina. This Galamsey issue, this excavator issue and all surrounding issues. What want to say?
Me di hu ya pa. I say make us a grand deception. Galamsey issue no nyina. Me o ka se me summarize ya.
A grand deception.
A grand deception. Na sentra makasa na say me gidi say on say media for mo ya de pa. Tama omuka so obeye Galamsey mo sori gina ka se media force ye volunteer media against Galamsey meboa tamo lonche se mo gidi se eye ade a omukoje excavators ya chama omo ho a kambedi akire enti se no se Ghana fo bisa mo se media fo enti mo ka ho se ena matrans ya ma wo mo akọ plan ade a wo mo be edwirim se ya se mo nso ye difia kamudin ho soja fo a ekoko ye se adwuma ebia no se wo munim se the ultimate ne se Galamsey ekoso ye nim se bia say kwaye ni emfuo ne ensuo ne ade enunti president no aso de ni presidency ebeto on the line say so stop Galamsey enti momwame se ebeto atiam kra me mfa ho na me yayi se satam no se na munim se enya nsuo no ho na odwene enya akwaye no ho no odwene na mom de odwene ho ne se obeje amanfo ajapade na odi ama ni party fo a kamu be di akire injiri san kamu ni akire soja fo na odi wo mkoye galam stop ne ade nyina nka wo ni akire anunti na me friend say grand deception ba ehon to mapa And I want to mano apano. Emma His Excellency President Akufo-Addo nkase onim ho hwe. Onim mupa.
O eden onim ho bi.
Master. Anya hwe kura no. Obi akoye e de aba be kire se. Opening we ya owo waso ye ha presidency ha no. De oye no galamsey mu Charles Bisu anase hwan. Wo si ye hwehwe mu. Ewo mu a wa frɛ no sɛ yɛn ho hwe ɔmɛ na dwuma na ɔte hɔ yɛ na dwuma na sɛ nneɛma a epiepie ɛkyerɛ wo sɛ clearing no a wo clear no yɛ wrong wa na hwan na nfa saa responsibility no ɛno nti de aba no ɛyɛ nimguaseɛ kɛseɛ paa ma ɔman no ɛna ɛnyɛ ade papa a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛsosɔ so koraa. Enunti ayade I say civil society for any media for the same media against Galamsey no. Say na Galamsey no ya abuse ayino ama abeye fraud there and I said grand deception there. The media must take the lead. Mubeyi mudin afri mu beye regeni mo yi afri mu. And this society will blame all of you. Says ya 500 ayira yesi enim ba bia wo Matiami do ho ye management nkoye se onko hwe 500 they say excavators yesi court to be akansem bi wa bridge ye mfamra na Matiami do nkoye ho adwuma that time and ensure no meanwhile ensure na o ka say o protect no e bia am protect here. Meanwhile, nipa nso a womo eti womo sika ebi akoji bank bosia e de atoto saa excavators ne ade e de akoye adwuma se waba na usizi kura na ohunu se usizi wie no e wo ho a ye de ye adwuma foforo bi ama aboa oman no kura no a se nipa no ote ho a obeka se adwuma bo ne nam koye na ya gi afidie de ye adwuma papa na obi a onto afidie na wo waba tumi kakra ye de amount wo se medimitumi eje wajapade no nam de akoma me party mpanifo enti na me expect say nka Kumasi accounting to the people in Kaomon can say one MPP leader, one excavator. Hey. And also your achievement. Yeah.
One MPP leader,
one excavator. And no, you have one of the major achievements. Because if you don't know, yes, it's a year boabuanui. Adia Irana Kokofa. Excavator, Ubeka Kotuno Bontin Wafa. Send the Pahona Kokoje. Other than the Anchichis and Nipa.
This is excavators now.
So Mugusa Najana Jomo Sisa Sisabi Edeboabu and Wangubabi. I will not be surprised, say Bia, President Beba Obeka say, Yahoo excavators no Mumian Commission and Cartis or the name commission for something else. Because I just say, Babia Omo Nipa, we are all called Chekron Diano. And so can say, no quite a winner one ho, winner one ho, winner one ho. He found out because it's I was a sadia by. What are Nipa Nina Tito? It's such a administration committee no more fairly. Completely. The Amian say, Madame from Pomboatin, or more good anima say Passaba be awaiting me about the breadro. I internationally recognized Peninsula. Now, what Wama or Mayanu doso are your good anima say? So retire as heart surgeon, Kura. Nkomai ye besom na akosi so bewu na sesi ya kodwiri na nimonyam nyina begu fam sei because of abamoni nti because ko sha abamoni mu na de ekoso no oye bia wanye bia asem oye bia asem aye kwakwada nta atwene ubomu a wuni ewu wamumu a wusi ewu na ode ne ho akoya yakoye no doso sei enti galamsey ade no de eya dia ensese o man no da ho kra soja fo aye misusu o mo for sa exercise no nyina no they should be worried because anya hwe kra no wo mo image asofa because Ghana for the soja for di Wesi for the na ya to da bia na ya bibie wo ho. But soja for the Ghana for ye soja for di pa. Nti sa ba moni bi ba na oba yusu soja for ma omo koje sa aningwase esem sei. Enye papa. Mu media for a mu declare media against Galamsey a ene Galamsey no resource ni no. Unless mo be sorry a fight ya restore mo image ni mo dignity no. E kire mo say mo ye mo ko support a fraudulent scheme. And I had this idea we say yaba. And until no ya nibrisem a nsa se mutra homa ya kata so. And until brenusa e ba say ya nansem na doso. I mean can as if say the intention of government say yenya bone no na nurse na wo mo e kasa kra e be kan bre yentimi kan nyina. Ko we ba na we yaba oil sector mu de ekosui monyo we chese ana se anyanya bia na wo mususu se ye de sa akro no for nipa bebre a edru campaign so ane aka se NDC for na eba no mamwa ya me anwini a wo mba wo mbechew entibu ame anwini na chese out of personal preservation o dwene ho ntino na yemwa ono na ba aje ono de we no na di bonenti oba ye de onche yen. But we are sacrificing the interest of Mother Ghana, and it's very, very painful.
Are you disappointed in Nanado?
Very. And you're only disappointed. Very. Because in a oh, Nana. A free fatam obi manu tam ya kuntia a champon in the military regime bisano various movement people's movement for freedom and justice in the manema students na dia dinya ene omo a leader entini enimu se obi a wakon atia dictatorship na dia say with the objective say oba we are Democrat par excellence. Now and under your presidency, Niema kosono. Among democracy, democracy mon home babia. O fight here for freedom of the media. Under your watch, near good media house was more than 100. Under your watch. O fight here say freedom of speech. Under your watch, we can we no watching. The ACC achichi koso opposition leaders o fight a create impression say who you be I say the pen is mightier than the sword, and then under your presidency no you are proving said the sword is mightier. Wa by money training vigilante for near the idea nyina say yen you so among politics. I'm so very disappointed in him because an enemy did say enya menkwa nipa ne wo man nanti nyina be disappointed in him. Jise obi a wonti menka because enei culture of silence ya odi a kirema professor adubu ahen no be ye lecture ebuebu eniama nyina ni so no. The echo worse than that culture of silence you are now complaining about. Because media for a kind of muntiminka. Interview a maya no hay kurano say and throw a misawa sema de bekasha. And unti they no happen under Obia. It's in the life when you be fighting for a year. In fact, me ma meto JB Dankwa. But nema omo church me kenkan woni hu wo school mu no ne ehunu se ya hwere ade ejebidan kwese but the ekoso no ahunu se yankopon ne bo aye ma ejebidan kwa wanti me anya president or your president anka o man yin kai mfre bibia Ghana.
Honorable Dwaso ASIEDU NKETIA no pay me that. Yeah, be sen share you. Meeting the smart thanks to the production team, Listowell, Tigo and Hassan. Nyame ya adoma. Achina CJ ene wo beshia yamenka oho emame so your police ni dia echena beshia from anwumre 4 kosi say yentimi ye bebre what you say? We meet from 4. Patch up. Me ne wala sa catch when you police officer member. When you police officer they enfre wa member. Aha. Police phone kwa de and you was salaga kwa na so be bankran ya. What you brankran? What you brankran? Na obedu Accra.